It's recording.
Alright.
Alright, here we go, man.
It's Alex.
Fresh target.
Come on, baby. Walk up on it.
Oh, I'm gonna walk up on it. Put it in the other pocket.
Oh.
And that's how
Alright.
you do that.
See how this is Alex.
Well, that's a fresh target, too.
Fresh target. One miss. One in the jugular. This nigga's dead.
Yeah.